movie number 2 at 3 weeks old. That is, I believe that was Dale trying to escape. The kittens are starting to play with each other, bite at each other. Sounds like little mama wants to say something. Ooh, that was great kitty. Ooh, Cece's playing with the ball. I haven't seen them play with the ball before. Woo! Oh, yeah, uh-oh. Here comes Mama. I guess it's time for a bath. Well, there goes Chip again. Chip is trying to get out pretty adamantly today. Well, Chippy, you're not allowed out.